In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange your township game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to make your town layout look neat and run smoothly, want to go ahead and arrange buildings, roads, and decorations is a big part of making your city look great while still being efficient. So what we need to do is enter edit mode. So go ahead and click any building, road, or crop and click and hold it, and then you're going to be inside edit mode. Now from here then we can drag and move our property around, the roads around like so. We can also use this rotate button to rotate your buildings, roads, crops, etc. And another thing we can do, if we click on this little house icon, we can remove all houses and just have a cleaner look while we edit our town. So we can move this around. So go ahead and have a play around, move your roads, your buildings around to make your town look neat and tidy. Now once you move stuff, go ahead and click on the green tick, and that's going to move it to that location. Now also, buildings don't need to be connected to roads to function, but it looks nicer if they are, so keep that in mind when you're organizing your town. Now I've got a few tips for a neat layout. So we want to go ahead and group similar buildings, so put houses in one neighborhood, factories in an industrial area, farms on the edge, pretty much like how your own city or region is. Now you want to go ahead and leave space for decoration. So park, fountains, and trees make your town more attractive, and plan for expansion. So don't crowd everything. Leave some open land for future buildings. With your road designs, use straight lines, grids, or curves to make your city look realistic, and also separate work and living. So keep farms and factories away from homes for a real town feel.